can't see, but they're there.
Oh.
It's so good.
Be still my heart. Hey, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants, where we're doing a tofu recipe.
Yes.
Specifically, tofu teriyaki, which is yummy, versatile. We don't eat pizza all the time, despite what you might think.
No, we don't.
We do love it when we do eat it, but we have to balance that out with like big salads and bowls. And tofu is always an element in the salad or the bowl with beans and veggies and maybe 1 or 2 tomatoes from our garden.
Okay, time out. Remember what you're saying. And
I'm not going to remember.
Okay.
It's already gone.
Squirrel, if you're new to being plant-based, there's like this stupid rumor for men that if you eat too much tofu, you'll grow breasts. Newsflash, pretty much the entire area of Asia, including Japan, has eaten tofu for thousands of years.
And they don't.
And I don't really see a whole lot of their men with breasts. So
it's safe.
It's safe.
We try to buy organic. There's a couple different styles that we buy depending on how we're using it.
Buy good stuff.
But just buy quality organic if you can, and that's always a good rule of thumb in general.
Yes.
So
tofu's great, wonderful plant-based protein.
Anyway, so we're making tofu teriyaki.
Yes.
Imparts lots of flavor. Tofu is a sponge for flavor, so it's all about how you cook it, which is why it's amazing. And I think that's it.
Yeah,
so
it's going to be awesome.
Let's get cooking.
Okay, here we go.
Let's start with removing our pressed tofu from our press and breaking it into small bite-sized pieces. Then we'll drizzle it with some sesame oil and coat it with a light dusting of cornstarch. This will help it get nice and crispy. We're going to spread it out on a tray and pop it into the air fryer at 400 degrees. We'll keep an eye on the tofu while it's in the air fryer and pull it when it's nice and golden brown. We'll get started with our sauce by heating up our pan to a nice hot temperature. Then add our sesame and chili oils, ginger, garlic, and shallots. It smells amazing. Once those are cooked down a little bit, we'll add in our miso, chili garlic sauce, agave, and teriyaki. We're going to let that simmer for just a bit and then toss in our air-fried tofu, mixing well to coat. We'll let it cook for a little bit and really let that sauce thicken, which it will do given the cornstarch that's coating the tofu. When it's nice and thick, we're ready to garnish with some chopped green onion and toasted sesame seeds, and enjoy.
Yummy! And it's prettier than when we normally make it. So this is special for you because when it's for me, it's just
this looks
not this pretty.
Yeah. So it looks
lovely.
Awesome.
Well, broccolini, some Calrose rice from where John's family is from.
Yep. I've got an uncle that still grows Calrose rice.
Yep. And our teriyaki tofu.
It looks so...
And it smells really good with the ginger, and we sprinkled some black garlic on it.
And toasted sesame seeds.
That you can't see, but they're there.
Oh.
It's so good.
Be still my heart. So...
Lots of ginger.
Oh, yeah. The ginger is like off the charts. This is a teriyaki, but as you saw in the recipe, I added a bunch of stuff to it.
Which he always does.
I totally do. But I like layering flavors. I like lots of different flavors. And
tofu can take it.
And tearing it is like a game changer because you get those craggy edges that just hold on to everything.
All the little
So when you I'm guessing that there's a mix of who you are. You may be new and wanting to eat tofu more, or you could be a veteran. But Katie and I have started doing this for a lot of our tofu, and it really makes a big difference.
Yeah.
Super crispy with the cornstarch. And
if you're going to do a saucy tofu, that's the trick that we started.
Yes.
If we just marinate it and grill it or air fry planks or something, then we don't do that.
Yeah.
But
this is so good.
it's really good.
So
And a great, easy middle of the week dinner.
Yeah. Or you make a big batch of it and then you just have it so you can
have
pull
leftovers.
it out. So very yummy.
Yes,
Super
we'd have
healthy.
to make more to have leftovers.
Right, we have a tendency to eat everything.
No, that's not what I mean. It's just a
Oh.
little cube of, a little cube.
My
anyway,
mistake. I shouldn't have said that. I'm fired.
Again.
So thank you for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you do, tell everybody you know, because we would like that.
Yeah.
And they would like us, just like you like us. So
Be kind.
eat pizza.
With plants.
And some tofu. See ya.